Lesson 61. Let's speak in English with Toto. Listen, write, read, and repeat. Hi, Tommaso. How are you? Hi, Tommaso. How are you? Hello, Mike. I am very well, thanks. And you? Hello, Mike. I am very well, thanks. And you? Thanks, Mike. I am fine. Thanks, Mike. I am fine. How's your family? How is your family? They are also okay. They are also okay. Are your wife and children at home? Are your wife and children at home? Yes, they are at home. Yes, they are at home. Well, what does your family do? Well, what does your family do? My wife and children went to my wife's grandparents. My wife and children went to my wife's grandparents. Are you alone at home right now? Are you alone at home right now? Yes, Tommaso, but I have a pet. Yes, Tommaso, but I have a pet. What kind of pet do you have? What kind of pet do you have? I have a sweet cat. I have a sweet cat. Wow, what's your cat's name? Wow, what's your cat's name? His name is Candy. Also, he makes me fun. His name is Candy. Also, he makes me fun. Are you not bored alone? Are you not bored alone? Of course, a little. Of course, a little. Tommaso, let's go to us today. Tommaso, let's go to us today. Okay, Mike, what will you do for me? Okay, Mike, what will you do for me? We will make barbecue. We will make barbecue. Great idea, but where? Great idea, but where? In the garden of my house, of course. In the garden of my house, of course. Then first let's go and buy something to drink. Then first let's go and buy something to drink. Okay, Tommaso, let's go to the store. Okay, Tommaso, let's go to the store. Mike, will be fun day together. Mike, will be fun day together. Yes, Tommaso, my family will be very happy to see you. Yes, Tommaso, my family will be very happy to see you. See you soon. Next lessons.